Hi everybody, Daryl with Mass Page Tools, and I'd like to show you where we are at with the new SiphonAI beta. So if you go into your account, if you're enterprise, you just click on this. It'll bring you up to SiphonAI beta. I'll make the screen just a little bit bigger here so you can see it. So the bulk of the work that we did is under the keyword search. You also have the bulk URLs where you can put your URLs in here and use Siphon to scrape the data from there and paraphrase it, or summarize and paraphrase, or just summarize. Or you can paste the text into the box here, and you can choose either of those things. But for what we're going to show right now, this is just probably 20% of what this will be doing for the standalone version that we're building out. So if you go in here and let's just take plumber as an example, and we're just going to generate questions. And you'll see a whole bunch of questions in a drop-down box below, okay? So why are plumbers so expensive, all right? So we're going to go ahead and first siphon this. Wait, one second. We just got to search and grab the, we're going to drop this step here once you hit siphon. So right now it's just going to go through and grab the data from these pages. Our system is doing this with AI. It's pulling the data that is the main content of the page, and it's pulling it down, and we have some really cool things that are coming up with this. So this is just the first phase. So here you go. Here's the content. Lots and lots of content. If you scroll down through, you can see this isn't usable, so you just remove that. We added this so that you can remove different sections. Okay, we're going to have it so you can combine all of this later. Okay, we've also added a spin text, so you can do spin text, and it'll add spin text to it. I'll show you that in a second. But right now, I'm going to hit paraphrase and then hit siphon. And what this is going to use is our paraphrasing AI to rewrite each sentence. Okay, so it passes CopyScape, and or at least the Google phrase checker. Sometimes CopyScape does catch certain things that are similar, but in order to be well written, sometimes it's going to come up as similar as a lot of other pieces of work. So. So this is currently how we're doing it. And then if you go ahead and you hit the spinner afterwards, it gives you like some really different text. So sometimes you don't have to spin. It's just an extra step in case you're doing like an evergreen site, or you're doing a site that has to have multiple pages with the same content, and you're looking to have some variation. You can use that to do that. So we have some really cool features that'll be coming out with this. I can't mention them all right now, but we're working on some additional features that'll be coming out. So this is the paraphrasing. It's going through and rewording all of these paragraphs. Okay, because we already deleted these. We did it before the paraphrasing step. So they're here. So when I drag, this is totally readable information. Okay, so this is all good. And if you were to copy this and go into the advanced search in Google and put it into this phrase search, there's no sentence that's just like this in Google. Okay, so that's under advanced search. The second one too, the exact word or phrase, you put it into there, and you can see that these are all different from in here. Okay, but yet they're still very readable. Okay, if we do this, we put it into the advanced search, and there's nothing. Okay, so according to Google's eyes, these are all unique sentences. Now, if you want to do the spin text, this is newly added. And if you do have the enterprise plan, you currently have this, okay? This will automatically add spin text to this section, okay? What we're going to do is you're going to be able to put this all into one document, and we're going to have heading tags and everything. So you can just go ahead and have everything come into one document and then be able to spin the whole thing. But we're having things time out, so we have to put it into multiple documents. So let's see what happens here. You can respin it. There's a preview box that should come up. I didn't clear the cache, so maybe that didn't come up for me. But there's a preview box that will unspin all this, so you can see what this looks like. And then if you hit respin, it'll spin another version of that. So you can do that to each one of these sections. And you would have all of the spin text versions of all of this text. Okay. So you can kind of see where we're going with it. You can play around with it today. It is working. We've re-uploaded this new version of it that we've been working with on our staging environment. And SiphonAI is coming out July 9th. We hope to have everything set up so that you can get the standalone version. If you have the enterprise version of Mass Page Tools, it'll be right here for you, and you'll be able to click on it and integrate it with your form as well. So hope all is well. Have a great weekend. We're going to see you on Sunday with our Father's Day Sunday Live, and I hope you have a great time. Thanks.